I'm going to record this because we are missing Stella and Valerie. Does anybody know what we should do first? Does anybody want to try? Go ahead, Eleanor.
5x equals 12 plus 6.
Because it's very important. And Jason E., I do not see you. I see only a couple of hairs on the top of your head. Come on, angle that computer down, buddy. Plus 6, plus 6. That way we get 6 minus 6 is 0. 5x equals what, guys? Everybody say it out loud. 1, 2, 3, go.
13. 5 with 18.
That is
18.
And now, what do we do now, Jason E?
Now
Jason E.
plus 6. 18 plus 6.
No. Come on. We need to get x by itself. What did we do last time? Come on. We had 3x equals 13. We divided both sides by 3. Jason, what do you think we should do now?
I see the others.
Come on, Jason E. We divide both sides by what, Jason?
5.
5. And what do we get, Jason B?
We get 3.
Come on, Jason. Start with X. Start with X.
0.
Come on, Jason.
1.
Say X. Say X.
X
Equals.
equals 18 over 5.
And that is our final answer. And if you wanted to, 18 over 5 equals 3 and what? Eleanor?
3 fifths.
Say again.
3 fifths.
I agree. Now, what about all right, who's got all the noise on their end? And that is Jason E. Jason E., you got to ask your sister or brother to go into a different room. Jason E., can you hear me? Yeah, Jason E., you can't have noise on your end, buddy. You've got to get your family to understand that. Okay? Come on. All right, what do we do, guys? Eleanor, Jason, what do you think? Come on, guys. We divide both sides by what? Come on, guys.
-2.
No. We divide by -2. Divide both sides by -2. And we get x equals, who knows what is 8?
-5.
Who knows what is 8 divided by -2?
-2. 2.
What is 8 divided by -2? Just think 8 divided by 2, but that's the opposite.
-16.
No, that's 8 times 2 or 8 times -2. What is 8 divided by -2? Jason B.
-4.
And
-4.
-4 is the answer. What about -5x equals 20? Jason E, what do we do to both sides?
-5.
Now, Jason, you got to unmute yourself.
Divide 2.
Jason, stop hitting the button. Jason, no picking your nose. No, no, no. Jason, what do we do to both sides?
Divide 2.
No, we don't divide 2. Jason, what do you see there?
-5.
We divide both sides by -5. And Eleanor, what do you get? Start with X, start with X. Come on, Eleanor.
-4.
You have to say X equals.
X equals -4.
Beautiful job. All right, let's try it again. Okay, Jason E, what do we do to both sides? Jason E, unmute yourself.
Yeah,
Jason E,
-8.
divide both sides by -8. Jason B, what do you get?
Negative
No, no, no. This is for Jason.
13.
This is Jason for Jason B. But both of you, Eleanor and Jason E, should write this out.
3.
I don't know what 3 means. If you said something equals, yeah, I could understand that. Every single time, X equals, X equals, X equals, X equals. What do you think we should say here? What do you think we should say here?
X equals 3.
Absolutely not. 3 would be 24 divided by 8. This is 24 divided by -8. How about you, Jason E?
X equals 5.
Jason, you're not even paying attention. Jason E, stop muting yourself. Unmute yourself right now, please. Now, Jason, do not hit the mute button. Raise your hand if you agree not to hit the mute button. Okay, now, Jason, I want you to look at, Jason, come back. Jason, stay focused. 5 seconds. Jason, what is 24 divided by -8? It is definitely not 5.
18.
Jason, 24 divided by -8. Eleanor, do you know it?
-3.
Of course. It's -3 because 8 goes into 24 3 times, but it's 24 divided by -8. Therefore, X equals -3. Okay, guys. That was algebra, and a really cool algebra that was. Now, I want everybody to write down those 4 numbers and continue the pattern for 4 more. Jason E, get started right now. Go. I don't agree, Jason E. You have not continued the pattern. So see if you could continue the pattern. All right. Who thinks they've got it? Oh, Jason B. Why don't you give me the first number?
1,000.
And Eleanor,
I just got 1,000.
well, what is the rule here? Come on, 2,000
Minus 250.
minus 250. Come on, Jason E. Minus 250. Minus 250. What's 1,000 minus 250?
1,000. Negative 25.
So if you got 750, you would be right. Do it again. Take away 250. What do you think? Who's got it? Go ahead, Jason B.
500.
Eleanor, you do the last one. And Jason E, if you got it, raise your hand.
250.
Wow. Now, Jason, what if I took 250 away from 250, Jason E? What would I get?
0.
Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Who knows what happens if I have 0 minus 250? Eleanor,
200. Negate 250.
Jason B, what if I have negative 250 minus 250?
Equals a negative 0.
No,
Negative 500.
negative 500. What about negative 500, Jason E, minus 250?
Equals a negative 30.
Negative
750. Eleanor, negative 750 minus 250?
Negative 1,000.
Wow. You guys are unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. Now, I want to ask you, what is 2,000 minus 1? Who knows that? Jason E, come on, Jason E, let me see you. What is 2,000 minus 1? Who's got that? Don't say it out loud. Raise your hand. Jason E, come on, I'm waiting for you, buddy.
2. 1,001.
Oh no, I can't see the screen.
I'll be right with you guys. I'm trying to get Stella online.
Because she just got on, seriously.
Oh, that was Eleanor. Stella. And let's copy. Hold on one second, guys. I'm trying to get our other. All right. Jason E, come back to the screen. Come on, buddy.
200.
Everybody go.
1,999.
And what about 5,000 minus 20? Go.
4,980.
4,980.
And what about 6,000 minus 300? Jason E.
30,000. 13.
Come on, Jason. 6,000 minus 300.
30 maybe.
5,000 what, Jason E?
1,020.
No, it's 5,700. 6,000 minus 300. 0, 0. Borrow 1 from the 6. 5,700. Jason E, you got to start paying attention to what we're doing. Okay, what about 8,000 minus 130? Everybody write that down. Jason E, write it down, write it down, write it down. Go. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
870.
If we subtract 0 from 0, 0. 10 minus 3,
7.
and 9 minus 1 is 8. All right. Very good job. I want you to write these numbers in normal form. 800,050 and 25,407. Jason E, get started. Everybody go.
Done.
All right. Who can tell me how they wrote? And Jason E, let me see it, buddy. 800. Oh, wow. Jason E, you rock, buddy. 800,050. How about you, Jason B, for the next one? 25,407. Eleanor, I want to ask you, what if we did 4,000,001? How would you write that? Everybody try 4,000,001 and write it down.
I'm done.
Wow. Eleanor, you wrote
Me too.
400,001. Jason E, you wrote 4,001. I want 4,000,001. Wow. Jason B, you got it. No, you wrote 40,001. Jason E. Jason, you just wrote 400,001. I need 4,000,001, Jason. Ah, very, very nice. So I want to show you a couple of tricks. When you write 4,000,000, you put a comma, Eleanor, and then a comma after every three place values. 4,000,001. And it keeps things in very good organization. Very good organization. Now, the next challenge is actually a lot of fun. Let's see if we can do it.
Oh, yay.
I call this find the missing number. The number we want is 30,550. We have a 50 and a 500. What are we missing? Who thinks they have it? The missing number? Okay, why don't you guys say it on 3? Go. 1.
30,000.
What about the missing number here? Go, Eleanor.
9,000.
What about the missing number here? Go ahead, Jason E. Come on, Jason E.
8 plus 900.
You think this is 100?
900.
You think that's 900? Why would that be 900? Come on, Jason, what do you think, buddy? Go ahead, Jason E. Jason B.
600.
Of course. The 6 represents 600. And Jason E., I even circled it for you. So you've got to pay really good attention to what we're doing. All right. Who can tell me what this symbol means? All right, go, Eleanor.
Greater than.
Yeah, Jason E., you're not even paying attention. Jason E., you got to look up at the screen, buddy. I need to see your eyes. Jason E., what does this stand for?
Greater than.
And is greater than.
Than.
Jason B., what does this stand for?
Less than.
All right. I want you to write these numbers down and put the symbol in between. All right, Eleanor's got her hand up. Anybody else have it? All right. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Less than. Less than.
On this one, 1, 2, 3, go.
Greater than.
And this is now for Jason E.
Less than.
Do you think that 71,000 is less than 61,000? Jason E.
No, greater.
Then you say greater than, you don't say less than. 71,600 is greater then 61,700. Absolutely. It's really important that you stay focused. All right. We're going to do some rounding now.
Yay.
Now, I want to
Okay.
ask you a question. If I have the number 5.1, and I want to round to the nearest whole number, who can tell me where we go? Okay, Jason E. Jason E, go. Jason E, you're not paying attention? Jason E, what is 5.1 rounded to the nearest whole number?
18.
18. Jason, is 18 anywhere near 5? Jason, rounding to the nearest whole number. Jason, come on. 5.1. Go ahead, Eleanor.
Round down to 5.
It goes down to 5. Jason, come on. 18. Come on. 5 is rounding 0.1 down. Jason B. What about 6.5?
7.
It rounds up. Down to 5, up to 7. Now, Jason E. Go, Jason. Jason E, look up, buddy. Come on, round 7.8 to the nearest whole number. Jason E, you're not going to answer. Raise your hand if you can hear me. All right, he cannot hear me.
7.
What? Jason, I can't,
7.3.
Jason, I can't see you. I can't see you.
7.3.
No, Jason, you round up. 0.8 means you round up to the number what, guys? Eleanor, go.
8.
You round up to 8. Jason E, what about 8.9? What do we round to?
3.
Jason, come on, we go up. We round up. What's the number after 9? Up after 8, Jason? Jason, what's the number after 8? Jason,
9.
what's the number after 8?
9.
And that is how 8.9 round.
9.10.
No, it's not 9.10. It's 9. What about 9.4, Jason B?
9.4 round down to 9.
Eleanor, what about 10.5? And Jason E, I can't see you. You need to sit up or move your computer down.
Round up to 11.
Very nice. Now, I want you to round the numbers to their indicated place value. So this one, the 3, is in the 10 thousands place. Jason E, again, I cannot see you. Please sit up, get into the screen, and pay attention.
8.
Oh, what does the 6 tell us? We need to round what? Up or down?
Up.
So the 3 becomes a 4. Answer?
446. 1. 446.
So it's 440,000. And that's rounding to the nearest 10,000. This one is the nearest 1,000. Go, Jason. Go, Jason. B.
90,000.
That's right. Jason E, I hope you're paying attention. Come on, Eleanor. You use them a seat. All right, who's got this? Eleanor?
Round down to 500.
Say again.
Round it down to 500.
Yeah, but what about this?
27,500.
Beautiful job. Now, let us I want you to write these numbers from smallest to greatest. I want you to write those numbers from smallest to greatest. And Jason E, can you please join the group? Come on. I can't see you. You need to sit forward and write the numbers from least to greatest. And I'll be right back, guys. All right. So who wants to start with the smallest number? I'm going to go with Jason E, smallest number. Come on, Jason, let's go.
Smallest is 227. 200. The second is 27200. The third
No,
is
Jason, hold on. The smallest number, Eleanor, go.
27,200.
That's right. And what is the next smallest number, Jason B? Jason B, go. Jason, you are muted.
The 217,200.
Now, Jason E, what's the next number?
2000. 21700.
No,
212
read that number, Jason.
200.
This number reads 227,200. And Eleanor, what's the biggest number?
227,712.
Wow. All right. I want you to round these numbers. So for instance, oh
We
wait,
just did it.
you just did that one. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. Okay, we're gonna start with multiplication now.
Yay.
Yay.
Who can do 70 times 3? And all you have to do is 7 times 3 and tack on a 0. Who knows 7 times 3? Go on 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
210.
7 times 3 is 21. Tack on a 0. 210. Who knows 6 times 8?
100.
Go.
48.
Tack on how many zeros?
2.
2.
4,800. Who knows 4 times 8? Jason E. 4 times 8.
32.
Now, Jason, tack on 2 zeros.
32,000.
No. Come on, 32 what?
Billion.
Go ahead, Jason B.
32. No, 3,200.
Or 3,200. You guys did a great job. Next week, we're going to start with division.
Yay.
I hope that you guys learn to love division the way Mr. Cooper loves division. And I hope you have a great week. I'm going to go and send this to you right now. How many of you enjoy every part of math? I do. I do. I'll see you guys next week. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Welcome.